Hi, welcome to Auntie Nat's Crochet. Thank you for choosing this tutorial video. Do check out my other videos too. If you don't mind, please do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is at this corner of the video. I have hundreds over videos from crochet to amigurumi, clothes to toys, hats to bags, and lots more to come. And today I'm going to make a bag strap with this cotton yarn. This is a 8-ply cotton yarn. There are 8 strands here, and I'm going to use a 5mm hook. So let's start. Okay, we're gonna start by making a knot. I'm gonna leave a tail so that I can have this part to sew it onto the bag. Whoops, let me get that again. This is just my habit of making a knot. Once you have a knot, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and chain 5. I'm doing it as a Tunisian stitch. You go to the next stitch, pull up a yarn and leave it on a hook. Then you go to the next, pull up a yarn, leave it on a hook. You do that again in the next until you have 5 strands on your hook. Now you put through 2 by 2. So after this, you chain 1. You see this line here. The normal Tunisian stitch, we will take this line, but now I'm gonna take this boat. Leave it on your hook. So now you're gonna take both of it, leave it on your hook, and again. That's when you take this strand and this strand. You will have 5 on your hook, and you put through 2 by 2. And again, let me show you one more time. You chain 1, you go through here, pull up a loop, leave this on your hook. Make sure you take 2 of it, this one and this one. Leave it on your hook. Same here. Leave it on your hook. Whoops, wait, let me do that again. So once you have 5, just put through all 5. Sorry, put through 2 by 2, not all 5. And you're gonna have something like this. So I'll continue until the length that I want, and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, let me just show 2 more rows. I've come to the length that I want. Let's show you 2 more rows. Just chain 1, go through this and this, the top part here. You see, like, you have 3 strands here. Leave it on your hook. Leave it on your hook, and the last one, and you have 5 on your hook, and you put through 2, 2, 2 and 2. I've come to the length that I want. So let me show you how it looked like. It will curl up like this. So either you let it curl like this, just leave it like this, and attach it to your bag. Sew this part to your bag and let this part curl, or you can open up. This is how it will look like. The flat part, this is how it will look like. Maybe you have something heavy to press it down nicely. After a while it will stay like this. So this is how the pattern look like. This is the front and this is the back. Or up to you whether you want to use this as the front. Maybe I would use the curl one. Let it curl and join it to my back, and it looks something different. So thank you for watching. Hope you like this back strap pattern. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next post.